Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is it's Wednesday, May 6th of 2026. We are back for yet another stream. Looks like Major Tanya was here before the stream started. And first, Lazy Schemer, welcome back. Hello, hello. Pandoxer, good to see you again. Part of the notification gang. Oramus is here, who says Strim? Strim! Snake? Snake? Snake! DDoS is also here. Apparently Launchpad is working. I was able to upload 3.7, so we'll see if I can do 7 through 15 as well, or 8 through 15 as well. Pandoxer says, I tried Get History Split at work today, but it does not let me edit hunks uninstalled. Oh no, not the hunks. Roll Adrian says, time to migrate to SourceForge. What? No. 55 stream streak from Agent Tanya. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you again. It is Wednesday, my dudes. That's true. Keg's also here. Hello, hello. Which means it's time to end stream. No. IW, welcome, welcome. Zgucci, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Get a pull request are still broken? Great. Wonderful. Well, hopefully I don't need to do any of those. I do have some that happened since last time, which is I did a few things offline. I think we did this one online. I did some stuff in Precommit CI. There's a particular error where you can't send more statuses to a SHA. Usually this happens if someone is doing something really fucking dumb. Which, yeah, so we catch this and just stop re-queuing them at that point. So I stopped getting pinged every time that happens. I also upgraded Puppet with the idea of eventually upgrading Precommit CI to 2604. I also had to upgrade the requirements because the version of CFFI that I was using was too old. So I have upgraded to 2.0. Wow, big new version. And I was in the process of doing the actual upgrade of Precommit CI and iterating in the dev environment. And Ubuntu 2604 changes temp to actually be tempfs. And so there's a bug with this, but it turns out I was thinking about this while falling asleep the other day. Maybe it was yesterday. No, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Whenever I was working on this, as I was falling asleep, I'm like, why do I even fucking bother with this? Like, there's a hard link is effectively the same as just copying, or even simpler, doing nothing at all. Just return this fucking value. But then it doesn't have a nice symmetry with the copy. It's whatever. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna not do os.link anywhere, and then that just fixes the problem. But we'll work on that later, because we are going to try and bump deadsnakes pythons today. Kexit says he hates me. I don't hate you, Kexit. I like that you show up. I enjoy you in my chat. I just poke a little fun here and there. Total Eclipse says, yo, 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 welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Patrick OMG, good to see you. Orma says, I added a plugin to my NeoVim config that acts like Emacs compile mode. I don't know what that means, but nice. Lie meter? What is this? What is this 7TV or whatever? Oh, I got a new fidget toy, chat. And by I got a new fidget toy, Amy got me a new fidget toy. It's very satisfying. It's really hard to show on stream, but it is a 3D printed starfish that is very satisfying to play with. It's also very big. Like, it is the size of my face, but it is super nice. My first thought was just star meat. Yeah. Also, this still happens every time I switch to my face cam, which it is what it is. Is this the Krusty Krab? No, this is Patrick. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so Plan for today's stream is to continue working on my to-do list here. New Ubuntu version. I know that we have to do pre-commit ci/runner upgrade to upgrade. I also know that we need to do this repo. And we need to do is this the name of the repo? God damn it. Total Eclipse, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. And I appreciate you stopping by. Where the fuck is this repo? GNOME. GNOME terminal broken. Which I believe needs to happen before Puppet. And we'll figure out more of those there. Anthony got into pet play. I don't want to know what that is, Kexit. Don't tell me, because I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Nope, don't tell me. New LTS. Okay, we were going through this, which I know is going to work for all of the really, really old ones. Well, actually, I should check Launchpad. Deadsnakes, PPA. Just ask Marsha? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, it's weird that the GitHub shows up before Launchpad now. Probably for me, myself, though. Spyro says, I'm convincing myself to majorly de-Microsoftify for stress reasons. Babby for the product stability sounds nice right now. Hey Spyro, good to see you again. Yes, indeed, Babby is fairly stable. Did 3.7 get upgraded? Wow, 3.7, 17 plus Resolute 1. Aw, shit. Hell yeah. Is GitHub down right now? Am I gonna have a bad time? Is this me having a bad time? Incident with pull requests. Creation of new pull requests. Okay, I don't have to do that. Good. A mitigation is being applied to continue to accelerate recovery, with complete recovery expected by this. What a fucking nothing burger of a sentence. I misheard Babby is fairly stable as Babby is barely stable? Standard Pointer, hello, how's it going? That's in 2 hours and 5 minutes. Is my clock wrong? No, my clock's correct. My clock is correct. Okay, anyway. I'm also hoping that we get this done before 3.15.1 RC1 or beta 1 drops, which is, I think, imminent. I think it's supposed to land today. So hopefully we can get this done before then. Why do I have these clones? Hopefully not for any reason. No, looks like for not any reason. Okay, and I just did 3.7 and I just pushed, and I remember that I forgot to do this. Yeah. Resolute in the Reamd. Yeah. Particulate Pythonic, hello. Been going for 6 hours? What? Strongly typed, Drunk's Time Lord, thank you for the resub at 62 months. Mr. Python, thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate you stopping by as always. Is the DDoS mitigated then? I don't know. I was able to upload something earlier today, so we're gonna T's and P's this one. Dead Snakes Pi 3.8. 3.8. Okay. Create the new Debian-Ders repository or thing. Should I make a command that just does all this? Maybe. But maybe not. Okay. Copy the change logs. Oh, actually, I should what? What happened here? Why did they make a commit? So this is a weird one because why is there this nightly commit here? What happened here? Not this one. Get this one? Yeah, get show this. Get CPython show this. Oh, it's literally just the post commit. So I think we can just do this on mainline without worrying. I think. Oh wait, no we can't because it'll get 3820 plus. Fuck. Okay, so we have to do the new workload. New workload? Workflow. Yeah. This is gonna be a weird one. I don't know how this is gonna work. I think I need to if there are commits past mainline on the default branch, create a backport branch to add the distro to. Yeah. It is not strongly typed. This is instructions for me. Wolford's here. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. How's it going? I'm in California for 2 weeks in June and LA on the 4th of July. Neat. Neat. Sir Thunkington. Good afternoon, thine Thunkington. Yeah, it is Eastern time for me. Yeah, so we need to do this. Interesting. Interesting. This is gonna be a weird one. Why is my alarm going off? Ah! Alright, I will be right back. Hello, I'm back. I'm back. Am I stupid or is GNU date absolutely unintuitive? I mean, it seems fine with the default. It's kind of like not how I would write it, but like, why is it? Why is the time right in the fucking middle? Okay, anyway, we're still following these instructions, which is cp changelogs mainline noble to changelogs mainline resolute. This is wrong. Right. We need to copy the nightly changelog too. Or I guess I'm stupid. Oh no. Edit the plus part to reset the version number. Make sure it builds. I think I'm not gonna do that. I think I'm gonna make sure it source builds. We're just gonna skip this step. Why the plus? Oh, I think it's not. I think it's pre-POSIX. Maybe. I think it's pre-POSIX, so it has weird calling conventions. This shit takes forever. We should ban short ops. I think they're convenient in command line, but not in scripts. I agree in scripts. This is taking for goddamn forever. What is it even doing? Oh, it's importing the tar file. Okay, so... Oh, I did do my password manager. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Command lines have autocomplete? Some of them. Extract the file. Deeper G. Wow. Okay. I mean, that didn't actually tell me anything, did it? Oh, it does install the packages here. So, probably fine. Probably fine. Oh, I forgot to commit. Oh well. Rebuild for resolute. Yeah, a little funky, but we're gonna call it good enough. On to 3.9. I really don't like interactive command line programs. If I didn't specify the right arguments, it should just not do anything. Alright, on to Python 3.9. I might as well clone them all while I'm here, right? Fuck, we have a lot of work to do. God damn it. Alright. Oh, sick. The last commit here is a mainline commit. So we can just do this directly. Why is this not the way that it is? I guess because of the way that it is. Okay. Okay. I guess I can get risky and do multiple of these at the same time. Nothing could go wrong, right? 310 is still getting commits. That's a fun one. Okay. This should say ln-s. This one finish? It did. RPC 2.0 says, are you part of the Python release team or just checking things out on your own? I am not part of the Python release team, but I package deadsnakes. So, yes, but also no. Kegs had answered for me. Perfect. 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 So what I am doing right now is I'm repackaging every Python version that builds for Ubuntu 26.04. And some of these steps take a long time. Uh, 10 seconds ago, I didn't know what deadsnakes is. I think I get it. A community effort to keep Python running on Ubuntu. And by community, it's just me. I guess Lukash sometimes helps. But it's mostly just me. Lugish was helping when it was more work, but now that I've done the like automation steps for this, it's back to just me again, basically. Which is fine. I've mostly gotten it to the point where it is not too much terrible work to make it happen. All right, let's get that GPG prompt. Then upload. And this was directly on mainline, yeah. Oh no, I did get add dot. Oh, I forgot to do this thing. So this is gonna be resolute 2. Well, it's fine. It doesn't actually matter. Rebuild for resolute. Yay, 3.9 is done. On to 3.10. Okay, do the changelog step. But we're gonna actually do it correct this time. Not that it matters. Not that it matters. And we will do that. And we will start 3.11. This is also has commits, so we will. Oh my god, this thing being off by a few pixels is really annoying. Do 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 do. Cool. Communities start at 1 or the power of 1? Well, I mean, it started at 2. Well, it started at 0. So. Easy Light, hello, how's it going? Good to see you again. I'm realizing there's a better way to make this do what I want it to do, which is to just make it do what I want it to do. Which is parsed 1. We can capture group U and say if parsed 1, no, parsed 2 does not equal dist, then what? New version equals 1. Otherwise, new version equals int parsed 3 plus 1. And then this can be new version. And so let's see if this actually works. Changelogs mainline novel to resolute. Resolute 1, baby. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Okay, what step was I on here? Materialize. Hooray. Kexit, are you no longer in the Discord? Why can I not at you? Or did you change your Discord username? What am I doing? GPT. You left most servers. Ah, I see. Well, that would explain it, Major Tanya. Oh, did I not upload? I did not upload. I plan to quit Dixord because fuck 'em. Fair enough. Well played. Cool. 310 is done. I was on the changelog step here. And we can start that one and move on to 312. This one is going to be annoying because we're going all the way back to Jammy. This is going to be annoying. Because now I got to figure out what changed between Jammy and Noble. 314 is shipping with 2604. Good point. We don't need this one. Yeah. What am I braining right now? That looks annoying. Oh, this is the TK garbage. Which I don't think we have to worry about. Let's try it on. I must have deleted that one. Oh, fucking A, man. MIME support to medium types and MP deck. Oh. 312 is gonna be annoying. No! Maybe we skip 312 for now. We'll just come back to it. 312 we have to actually think. Not me, still using Jammy on my main VPS. That's fine, it's not end of life. So you have the same tech as me, copy password, paste, then before validation you copy something random. Yeah. Yep, that is what I do. Because otherwise, sometimes it sticks around on my keyboard and I paste it somewhere I don't want. Yeah. Read me. We need to add a resolute here. Okay, we're gonna skip 312 for now, because I know it's gonna be annoying. And we'll do 313. I think I'm kind of in a rhythm on these though, so we'll get all of the easy ones out of the way, and then we'll do the tough one. Okay. And I guess we can start on 315. Yeah, we're flowing here. We're flowing here. And I don't have 316 yet. Although, I will likely need it later today unless it has already happened. It has not already happened. Okay. They're really rushing things in at the last minute here. I originally wanted to make an Ansible thing to bootstrap my VPS to the new LTSs, but then I lost interest in Ansible, and now I don't want to twiddle the system to have what I need from scratch. There's never a problem with large late merges before a release. Yeah. Well, they're trying to rush in features before the beta freeze. They can be broken features, but they're trying to rush the features in before the freeze. These are taking a little bit of time. There we go. Build source. Get our GPG key. And then upload. And then I hope all these build cleanly. We will find out in the next episode. What is the... Did you gift a sub to my bot so that you could use this emote? Oh no, the bot can't use it. Okay, I was gonna say. I was worried for a sec. Just like that's committing to the bit. Now that you say it, the physics don't really make sense on that emote. GPG. And then upload. Then we gotta figure out 312. The swipe recipient could be residing in a low-G environment, but also, like, why does swiping the card cause a downward force on the titties? I'm asking the real questions right here. Okay. Let me go through all these repos and make sure that I did all the things correctly. Just to check myself. Are you telling me that you think titties and credit cards are both frictionless? Well, the force vector wouldn't cause, like, it would cause the parts it would there would be a frictional force in the crevasse. But there wouldn't be any other force vectors on the outskirts, you know? Momo says, I think I hopped into the wrong stream. No, you hopped into the right stream. It catches on the fabric. I did see that part, but it still doesn't cause yeah. That still wouldn't result in the effect of what we're observing. Oh, I guess I should make sure I actually uploaded these. Let's do that. So we should see a bunch of something here. Currently 2 building and 3 waiting to build. So 3.8 and 3.9. Why is it only AMD 64? This is a number that's a lot bigger than than 2. Probably because it'll be backed up for a while. Revinder, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. All right, so we have 3.7, we have 3.8, we have 3.9, we have 3.10, we have a 3.11. Where the fuck are the rest of them? Where the fuck is 3.13 onwards? Revinder says, hi, Anthony. I've been a YouTube sub for a while. I just never caught the stream. Well, welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. Did it get rejected? Where's my fucking filter for this? There. Or did I forget to run upload? No, I definitely, there's 15 uploaded. I closed the tab, so I would have to review the footage. Launchpad isn't down in theory, Lord Beesky says, don't forget your copy fail patch. Fortunately, I don't have to patch that for Python, but I have patched my other machines. So why have I not got an email from Launchpad? Big thinky right now. What the fuck? Did they do like a periodic sweep and I'm just not, it hasn't swept yet? It's weird. Detail says, I think there's also a portion of the GIF that's focusing on a specific part. But the fun bag haver seems to also be jumping. So it might be forced perspective changes that make the titties appear as if they're going down, but it's just relative changes. I mean, perhaps that's where a force vector appears, or at least not a force vector, but a momentum. Did I work too fast and got throttled? It's possible. Strongly Type says, I'm just happy that my bank no longer flags USD spends as fraudulent and temporarily blocks my card. Yeah, that would be pretty annoying. So what the fuck? I guess I will not RMRF things until past 311, because all those other ones I know have worked. But let's do this. We know we did 8. We know we did 9. We know we did 10. And we know we did 11. I know we didn't do 12. We skipped 14. And I don't know what's up with 13 and 15. Launchpad, y'all. Okay. I do know this is going to be annoying. I should have kept one of those around. Like 3.8 or something. Or maybe... yeah. Diff, get diff. No. Do you think this will apply cleanly if I just git apply? If I just replace jammy or noble with resolute. And then we go to 312. Never mind. Patch-P0. No, not the hunks. Does not apply. Why? Why does it not apply? GDPM, TK, SSL. Oh, because it's already applied. We already got rid of MPDEC. Okay, so that's fine. So I can just get rid of this hunk. Yeah. Oh, working there, not an account. Okay, yeah. Pyro, hello. Welcome back. Ah, someone has gifted the sub to the bot. Here we fucking go, I guess. Yeah, okay, so maybe if I remove this hunk, I gotta fucking change these line numbers too, right? So how do I discard part of a patch and edit these properly? There need to be 3 context lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right now it's -9 + 9, 12. Is 12 the length of the patch? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No. Maybe from here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No? What do these numbers mean? Numbers in unified diff patch. What do the numbers mean? The number after the comma is the length of the chunk. So why is this a 12 length chunk? Can I just not count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Aha! So if we remove, how many lines? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If we remove 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then we add 5 to this and subtract 5 from this. Manually editing patches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then we need to do the same thing down here. 14, 7. 4, 5. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's try that now. Line 28 doesn't apply. Well, what the fuck? What's line 28? Oh, fuck. It says 3.8. No. Oh, I should just do this manually at this point. Ravender says, I always wondered when working in a professional capacity, say in first century, did you use Babby there? Why would I make my own text editor and then not use it? It seems like a silly question. It seems like a silly question. Okay, so it looks like it's just meme types, mime support to media types. So maybe we just do that manually and then I do this automatically. So let's just do this then. Get apply. Oh no, it's root. No, it's control. And then we gotta find mime support and replace it with media types. It's the only relevant diff, I believe. Yeah. Oh. Although, let me make sure. Does this have, oh man, this is gonna be really fucking annoying. Okay, I think we're fine. What is that thing called? GDBM. Sick. I think this is just gonna work. Meme types, exactly. Xander's Web says, hey Anthony, brother, you not married, right? Do you know this girl? Bash Bunny, she is also streaming. Man, she is hot. What a fucking crazy thing to put in my chat. I do know them. But no. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream, LM Prox. I hope you're doing well. Smells like a bot? No, this person's been in my chat before. I recognize their name. Yeah. 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 They've been in my chat before. It's a real fucking weird thing to say. Okay, anyway, what the fuck was I doing? I was following my little run book because, yeah, gotta do the things. Oh, 3, 13, and 15 have been accepted. Fuck yeah. Resolute. Evil for resolute. Anything coyly looking at chat history for that user? No, I looked at it after I said that. I just recognized their name. I was wondering why I deleted, why I timed them out once. Well, there's a mod comment. Like this mod comment is from 2024. This is a good mod comment, D-Dolls. Very thorough. Very well written. Yeah, it's a real weird thing to say. You're 100% correct there, Kexit. It's super weird. Changelog done. We need to materialize. Materialize. That's why I pay you the big bucks. Yeah, I'm gonna give you a 200% raise for that, T-Dolls. I'm sorry, that is a cruel, stupid joke. I pay my mods an exposure. Anthony Writes CodeBot, you've just got a gift sub. Wow, to Sussy Bunny. What an amazing gift sub. Does it even tell me who gave me my gift sub? No, it doesn't. Thanks, Twitch. Of course it doesn't. You appreciate the joke? Okay, fair enough. I was like, fuck, I'm being an asshole. Just make sure that D-Dolls doesn't hate me for this. Okay, but I think this is good. / ban Anthony Writes code, right? If dist is different. Did I typo? No, we're good. We're good. We're so good. I am running out of time though, because I have things to do today. But hopefully we'll get through the deadsnakes stuff. Ooh. No, that makes sense. The other ones were not like this because they were just symlinks. Did I upload? I did not. Let's do that. Okay. And the 312 one got accepted instantly, so I don't understand. I don't understand. What the fuck? But I know I can get rid of 312 because I can see it. And this one I know I can get rid of. Hi, 313. Make sure status is clean. Hey, what's up, Wusa? Hello, hello. Get rid of 313 as well. And 15. It's clean as well. Sick. Okay. And I did run a, oops, look at this. Where is the, do I get an email when something fails to build? I forget. Things haven't failed to build in a while. Failed? Rejections? The last build failure I got was in March of 2025. So I'm gonna say yes, it does email me when it fails, but yeah, unclear. All right, let's edit this. Oh, I gotta log in. It's probably this. Oh, all right, still password manager. Launchpad. Bop? Nope. Edit the description. Ubuntu 2604 Resolute. Python 3.7 to Python 3.13. Python 3.15. Oh, this doesn't have the latest. Missing 3.10. Maybe we do this. Oh god, no, that's not how that works. I tried to use Babby keyboard shortcut in yeah, it's easier than having to do the fucking weird matrix thing. Jamie and newer. I guess I could say yeah. Yes. And then why is the address bar say search Google? You can update nightly as well. That just looks really confusing. Well, whatever, fuck it. Don't care. Did I did I fuck up the description? Later, Tanya? Yeah, this is correct. Resolute ships to 314. Mm-hmm. Okay, and now in theory I just wait for these to build or fail. We already have an S390X failed build. Oh, this is jammy. This is January, February, March. This is in April. Okay. I guess I don't get emails because I would have gotten an email for that one and I did not. So, what the fuck? Oh, I wrote it after you said it. Okay, yeah. I got there in the end. Okay, beta 1 has not dropped, so I don't have to do more work right now. Ah. I need to make sure that the GitHub actions are still enabled on these. It looks like yes. Probably should stagger them so they don't all run at the same time. But oh yeah, 316 doesn't exist yet. Hooray! Merge. Okay, cool. Dead snake stuff done. Holla, we done boys. Or I deleted an email. It's possible, but it gets filtered, so I rarely look at this thing. It's certainly possible, though. Where they changed the thing and it didn't get filtered and I did delete it. It's also possible. Okay. Zyar Lewin, thank you for the follow. Welcome. I hope you're doing well. Okay, so I'm gonna fill up my water. Actually, I should probably just end because I don't have much time. I don't have much time. Maybe it went to spam. That's another entirely possible thing. Okay, so I figured out I figured out that this apparently causes the email to go to spam. If I have this text in a GitHub issue, it goes to spam. I don't know why. Gmail thinks anything that says language rust is spam. Like for instance, this GitHub issue today. This went to spam. Don't know why. Typical burnt out. An appropriate auto mod. Good job, auto mod. Good job, auto mod. Hell yeah. Last time you were here, you told me Ubuntu is for kids. Interesting. 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 Yeah, you typical burnt out. You told me I was a child because I used Ubuntu. Could work on this, but no, right. I have to end. I have to leave. I have things to do. Right. I can't get distracted. I have to pack. All right. That's gonna wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. If you missed any part of the stream, those end up on the VODs channel, anthonywritescode-vods. Also, there's a new video today, so go watch today's video about how the Python 3.14 garbage collector got reverted. Whoa, weird. And join the Discord. That's where I announce streams. That's where we hang out. That's where you can ask questions if you have programming questions, etc. Oh no. Did one of these break already? Oh no, just okay, never mind. It's fine. Everything's fine. I was worried. I'm a nice guy. I swear on my unborn kids. It's a crazy thing to say. Did I take my pills? I did take my pills today, because I checked before stream because I knew you would ask. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up. Thank you, chat. Have a good one. I'll see you around. Bye. Peace.